Hey guys, my name is Gabriel Cuesta, and today we're going to be doing number 1 for quiz chapter 25. Number 1 says a gold wire that is 1.8 millimeters in diameter and 15 centimeters long carries a current of 260 milliamps. How many electrons per second pass a given cross section of the wire? And it's giving us a charge 1.60 times 10 to the negative 19 coulombs. So we go over here and we're going to use this formula. Right, we're going to use plug and play. We're going to use this later. We use this base formula Q equals E, NE, and we have I is equal to Q over T, and we substitute Q for N, E, T, right? So then we have, we're going to cut out the middleman, right? And then we have NT, which is the unit that we're looking for. So we're looking for N over T is equal to I over E. And if we plug in the values that we were given, let's check the calculator real quick. Let's see the values that are given. All right, it should give us, there we go, 1.6 times 10 to the 18th, which is the answer letter B. Thank you all for listening. Have a great day.